Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel Manjari. Today I bring you very important news. There is a vacancy at Delhi Public School with salary as per 7 pay commission. If you are a teacher or looking to join a reputed school, this video is for you. Stay tuned till the end for eligibility, how to apply, salary detail and tips for interview success. So the first is PGT post for following subject like physics, chemistry, mathematics, accountancy, artificial intelligence and painting. For TGT post, vacancy is for English, mathematics, science. Specifically for chemistry means your qualification should have chemistry honors. Social science, specifically for geography means geography honors, then Hindi, Sanskrit. Next vacancy is for PRT in English and EVS subject. Next NTT, teacher for tiny tot or balvatika. Then special educator, then transport supervisor. Remember, as a transport supervisor, you will be responsible for managing or supervising fleet of 30 buses. So you should have experience in transport management. Next vacancy is for e-state officer. Make sure you should have experience in e-state or facility management, preferably in school. Now let's see what is the qualification required for that. So qualification required for post serial 1, 2, 3 means for PGT, TGT and PRT as per CBSE norms. You should have minimum 5 years of teaching experience as PGT, TGT or PRT. Then CTET or UTET is compulsory for PRT and TGT post. Next, qualification for serial number 4 which is NTT. So you should have 10+2 certificate and NTT diploma, good communication skill, 4 to 5 years of experience. So qualification for serial number 5 for special educator as per CBSE norm and candidate with experience will be preferred. Next, last qualification for serial number 6 and 7. For that you should have good communication skill, 4 to 5 years of experience in reputed institute. Exceptional talented fresher may also be considered. And as mentioned, the school will be giving you reimburse of third AC upon production of valid ticket when you are going for the interview, and working lunch will also be provided to all the candidates. So please retain your ticket for reimbursement purpose. So this vacancy is for DPS Dehradun for next session which is 26-27. Now let's see how you can apply for this. So for applying, if you are interested to apply, then you need to send your application along with recent passport size to principal of this school at this mail ID which is career@dpsdehradun.in within 15 days. So this is the advertisement of 15th November. So you need to apply before 30 November 2025, and candidate those who have already applied at DPS Dehradun and they are not selected, they need not to apply for this. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful to you, don't forget to like, hype and subscribe to Manjari. We'll meet in another video with some more interesting information for you. Till then, goodbye, keep learning.